Rachel. You can see this is giving the Rolex vibe, you know. Only the
Yes,
fluted Rachel created by the Rolex company, and this dial has the
you can
fluted
found it.
edges. And this is also known as the HMT Himalaya, a very rare find and also a very quality find. Really, most of people like about this watch.
Hand wound.
Yes, yes. This is also a mechanical watch. You have to wind it by your hand.
Power reserve
Power reserve, I can say it is about 40 hours,
2 days. Max to max.
max to max. But
No.
generally, it's giving 25 to 30. But one day I observe it and it give me 40 hours. So maybe because of the
Just
pressure, you say if you wear regularly, the pressure
yes,
give
yes,
it
yes.
that or something like. This is the Seiko. You can say Seiko railway dial. The 1 to 24. This is no
Yes,
1 to
yes.
3 for 12, then 1 to 3 for 12. 1 to 24. As you can see, there is 1 to 24. Oh, sorry. This was the railway dial. This was the railway dial.
How I can?
What can I say? This is the railway dial, right? Like 13 is the 1
Okay,
and 12
okay.
is the 0. So this
Okay,
is
okay,
the
okay.
13
Now
to
the time
the
is
railway dial.
10, 55.
Now the time, sorry, in that
10,
mobile it is the
10,
10:58.
no, 9:58.
No, it is
9:58.
10:58. 22 is the 10. 21 is 9.
9:58. It'll have to
Yes. It is
9:50.
9:50.
9:58.
9:58. 9:58 actually. So what I am saying, this is the like railway time. You know,
Railway time
13 to
24.
24. It is 20 to 24. This is called railway line, and this is the fast ever Seiko I have ever won.
Yes, before this one.
Yes, before this one, this is the fast ever Seiko.
Working, fully working.
Yeah, fully working. If you just 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, it is actually quite old. It needs servicing. I never ever serviced it.
Give the good watchmaker a try. Watch repair guy.
Yes, I'm gonna take it today.
Loom. There is any
it does
loom.
have a. It is actually hand loomed.
Check out the looms. No loom.
And as you know, this is my favorite watch when I don't have any watch knowledge.
Quartz watch.
Yeah, Quaz was
Chronographs.
chronograph. I really like chronograph.
Started working. Reset to 60.
Yes, and about that, after this, oh sorry, this is
Nothing.
empty, and this is the T-shirt, the second T-shirt I won. The T-shirt 6-star. It is a vintage model, like 1978 or what.
I like this type of dial. A concave lens type,
Yes,
not flat. And glass must be polycarbonate, not glass.
I don't know about it.
Not glass.
As you can see,
Working.
even after 60 years, it's working like a water.
60 years old. Minimum 40 years old. Minimum.
Let me see the register number in that. No, I couldn't find it. I have recorded something like
Minimum 20, 30
1960
years.
or
Minimum 20 years.
1960
Minimum
or
20.
65 it is. So like 25, it's already 60 years, I think.
I think the chain is
Yeah,
replaced.
No, it is the strap is this is not real. This is a strap.
Another new strap is
The strap is aftermarket.
aftermarket. So not fit. Good fit.
So it's not a good fit, I know.
C star.
C-star model is already.
I can hear the clicking very clearly. And this one I can hear. Very smooth click. I cannot hear. No, I can't hear the clicking sound. Stellar.
This is very likable watch. Many watch collector wants this piece. So after that.